let's talk about blackout curtains. So I got these on Amazon. They have a nice linen look. I'll get closer just so you can see. So it has sort of like this linen finish for a nice soft feel. And they work really well. So the rail that I have has a little bit of space at the top, so you'll see a bit of the light there. And then the rest is just what you'd normally expect for curtains. So if I turn the light off, you can see they work very well. The phone actually does well in low light, but this is early morning sunshine. And for the purpose of this video, there are blinds that are behind them, but I've left those open. So you can see that is direct sunlight coming in. But the curtains do a very good job of blocking that out. The only difference is that little space up top. If we close that up again, and then obviously the fold where they join between that, you can see a little bit of light that will leak through. But other than that, for blackout curtains themselves, they work very well, don't really leak any light through, and I would highly recommend it. In my situation where I have blinds as well, I would typically be closing these and then using the curtains in conjunction with that, which makes it even darker.